Okay, this is was this one part 3 of the Ford Mustang Resto. So what have we done now? Or what have I done now, I should say. So painted inside here for some rust protection for future. This is POR 15, which is fantastic stuff. It's a rust preventative. I've used it on many projects. It goes ultra hard. It's great stuff. So I've done some painting. Now the big job was, now you see it, I got the rear light panel out and the new one's on the floor here. So this is out. It's all a bit loosey-goosey right now. But I have offered this up in place and it fits fantastic. There's reference holes to use here, and there's reference holes on the panel, and you just line these up and it's great. And there's a center line here somewhere. One of these holes is a center line, and it all lines up great. A little bit of bending yet to pull these back because it was a bit of a pain to unweld. And you see all my holes around here. So it was a bit of a Swiss cheese job. So these are all the spot welds they put on the factory, and all along the bottom here. They were, yeah, there's a lot of them. It took a while to get this out. And I made some reference points for future. I want to put things back on. These stayed on as well, which is good. So far, this is looking fantastic. Now, for removing spot welds, let me just show you what I use. I use a spot weld remover tool, which is just a pin here which will boost up and down. Going through all the tank, sorry. You can actually see the pin goes up and down. And if I can get on close on this one. Let me get this focused up here. Just one sec. Here we go. You can see the little cutters on the end. And it just cuts the holes around the weld in the first, in here, to release the welds. Great little tool. Worked well. A lot of them, did lots of them to do. I had to use a chisel and a hammer to get some of them cracked away from here, but it's done. But this is just a cheap tool. Well worth it if you're removing spot welds from future jobs. What else? So tomorrow it will be cutting out the inner wheel arch back to, I think I said before, probably back to about here. And then around this side for sure, then offering up a new piece in here, getting it prepped, ready, then same on the other side as well. So that's tomorrow's work on there. So far, everything is going so smooth. I have put on the panel up to here, just held it in, clamped it in. I put in the rear light panel, held it in with clamps, and everything is lining up so good right now. So far, so good. Yeah, I've got to clean this edge up as well tomorrow. Now we're going to slow down a little bit because we're now getting down to the final nitty-gritty and making everything fit. But it shouldn't be too bad. Everything looks so loose and terrible right now. But it's going together really well. So thank you for following so far. And there'll be more videos to follow for this 69 Mustang. Thank you for watching, and like always, please subscribe and follow and see the progress of this little project, and look forward to letting you know the next stage. Bye for now.